Alright, so Batman month is in full swing, so we're skipping ahead to 1989 to do Tim Burton's Batman. We have special guest stars TJ Smith, Jimmy Tatro, and Mikey Bolts. So let's go.
There ain't no bat.
Yeah, but you shouldn't have pulled a gun on that kid, man. You shouldn't have pulled a gun
Hey,
on
you want your cut of this money or not? Now shut up. Shut up. Don't kill me! Don't kill me, man! Don't kill me! Don't kill me, man!
I'm not going to kill you. I want you to do me a favor. I want you to tell all your friends about me.
What are you?
I'm Batman.
Alright, well, thanks for watching our scene from Tim Burton's Batman, and we were super excited to have TJ Smith starring as Batman. Alright, great job. And we also had other YouTubers in this one. Oh my gosh, we had Jimmy Tatro and Mikey Bolts as the crooks. Hey, there they are. Hey. Thanks for joining us, guys. Alright, well, don't forget to check out the behind the scenes and the comparison in the link below. What are you guys doing here? Alright, so it's Batman month all month long on Cinefix. So, we'll see you next week.
Justice!